So today I'm getting ready to ceramic coat this hood right here. What I'm doing right now, I'm claying it using from the Glow Series clay lube and a fine clay. And what I'm gonna apply after that, it's gonna be our 940 Graphene Infused Ceramic. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm prepping the hood. Like that is nice and smooth and no contamination. This is right here a brand new vehicle. So it's ideal to do a very light clay. It's still outside in the element, collecting dust, metal particles and stuff like that. It does sit in the parking lot. So it's a good thing to do a very light clay using a very fine clay. Because if you see, it has no imperfections. It's a brand new car. It's been treated real good. So when you're cleaning your vehicle, make sure the surface is nice and lubed. The wetter, the better. The reason why you want it very wet, like that, your clay slides and it doesn't grab and it doesn't scratch. Like that, it slides a lot nicer when it's nice and lubed. Now we wipe off. So now your next step right here will be a very light polish. If that's what you're gonna do, if not, you clean it with 3D wipe and ceramic coating. All right, so my following step after doing clay, now I'm gonna use from the AAT line, it's 502 finishing polish. This right here is gonna brighten up the surface. It's very fine abrasive. If you see, it doesn't have a lot of imperfection, but what it's gonna do, it's gonna brighten up the color and make the clear coat very, very transparent. Like that, you have a very good surface. Like that, when we apply ceramic graphene infused, it's gonna pop. You're gonna need sunglasses. You just gotta add very little. The pad already has some, like that, you don't sling and spit all over the place. For those of you that are wondering how many passes I did, I only did 3 passes. Again, because this hood is brand new and it has 0 imperfections. All I'm doing is giving a light polish to make that clear coat pop, be see-through, like that gives you a nice crispy look. So now we get our brand new microfiber and we're gonna wipe it off. 502 comes off like butter. Okay, so now that we used AAT 502, the next step is very, very important before you do apply any type of ceramic. We're gonna wipe it down with 3D wipe, panel prep. So what I'm gonna use right now is gonna be 115 3D wipe. This right here is gonna be our panel wipe. You have to wipe your panels before you apply any type of protection on there, especially ceramic coating, because you don't want it to bond to a false surface. You want it to bond straight to the clear coat. What does this right here is removing any type of oils, residue that you might left behind from any type of polish, claying, washing. Maybe you touched it and you left oils on the surface from your fingertips, and that's no good either. So like this, make sure you have a nice clean surface. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to apply our 940 Graphene Infused Ceramic Coating on our applicator. It comes with two application pads. Like that, when you go halfway your car, you wanna change it, or in case you drop it, you can change it and you always have a fresh one. So right here, it's sealed. It's a brand new one. So now we're gonna apply 940 onto the applicator. Make sure you always shake it. Like that, you infuse it. When you shake it and you infuse it, I don't know if you guys can see that cloud inside. That's the graphene infusing the ceramic. So now let's apply it onto our applicator. You wanna put it enough since it's dry. Then we're gonna go to the middle of the hood and we're gonna do about a 1 by 1 foot square. We're gonna overlap it. This right here is a little bit more than 1 foot. And then we're gonna cross hatch it. Like that we get 100% coverage. Like that we don't miss any inch. So if you guys see right here, I'm not too sure you guys can tell, but there's like a hazing. It looks like a rainbow effect, and that means that it's hazing right here. It's drying up. This right here, you can let it haze 40 seconds to a minute. Don't let it haze longer than that, because if it dries all the way and you don't be able to take that off, you're gonna leave a high and a low, and you're gonna have to repolish it again. So once you learn how to do the ceramic coating, and you know how much you have an open time, you can go ahead and do a bigger section if you trust yourself. I trust myself because I know how much open time I have, and I can keep myself. If you don't trust yourself, just do the foot by foot section at a time. Like that, you don't have no mistakes. Go gadget arm. All right, so that's it for our Sunday segment. I want to thank you guys for always being here for us and hitting that like button. And that's how you apply our 3D Graphene Infused. I guarantee you guys would like it. You guys will love your car looking clean a lot longer, a lot more shinier, a lot more brilliant. You guys will love everything about it. Trust me. You guys take care and have a good weekend.